There are 4 sequence data types in Python programming language: list, tuple, set, dictionary. So in case of list, it is a collection which is ordered and changeable. Tuple, it is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Set, it is a collection which is of unordered and unindexed. Dictionary, it is a collection which is unordered and changeable, with all having duplicate members. Some have, some doesn't have. Next is Python list. It is a collection of data of any data types consolidated under one name, or it is an arrangement name to store the data of multiple data types. And why we need this Python list? Because each element in the list hold a unique index, that means unique position and location, and it helps in programmer to order the collection of data in the language. And elements can be managed, that means elements can be removed, updated, added easily. Next is loops or sequence could be used to iterate over the entire list, and the elements helps in arranging and sorting. List. So accessing elements of the list, they have a unique index. That is why lists are known as an ordered collection. And positive and negative index in the list, apart from the normal indexing method, that is positive index, and Python list also facilitates the use of negative index. So slicing of list elements with the index method, it means getting a part of anything. So list slicing means getting a portion of the first 4 element of the list or the last 3 elements of the list, and it is having the syntax list underscore name. That means it is of starting index and stopping index. So here rb underscore list, so any value that starts from maybe starts anyway, but it is initiated with colon. So that is what the initial point, and 4 will be the ending point. But here it is clear with the initial value 0 and final value 4, and here also we don't know the ending point. So that means it considers all the set of array, all the elements which is having the last end point. And here the case is the initial value is 2 and the ending point is 3, and so the last thing, the digit 6. Next is unpack list. Python allows extract the values into variables. This is called as unpacking. And sequence unpacking method, it is an asterisk which helps to group the multiple elements in one variable. And these are all the list functions, like appends an element to the end of the list. The syntax is list.append with the new element. Next function, copy, with the syntax list.copy. Count, which counts the number of elements with the specified value, and having the syntax list.count. Next is extend, which adds the specified list elements or any iterable to the end of the current list with the syntax list.extend second list. Next function, reverse, which helps in sorting order of the elements. Clear, which removes all the elements from the list. Insert, which specifies the value at specified position. And pause, so it removes the element at the specified position with the syntax list.pop in bracket pause, and remove, which removes the first occurrence of the element with the specified value. Next is sort. Sort will help, or it reverses the sorting order of the elements, and it reverses the sorting order of the element, so which is having the syntax list.sort reverse is equal to true, and by criteria it removes any white space from the beginning or the ending. List.sort key len. Next function is max. It returns the maximum value in the list, that is max list. Next, min. It returns the minimum value in the list, and the syntax for that min is min list. The last one is sum. It returns the summations of values in the list, and it is having the syntax sum list. So these are all the basic fundamental informations on variables, data types of Python.